Hello, my name is Jaron, and I am the technologist here at Audi Menor, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Apple CarPlay. Okay, now that we're in the car, the first thing we're going to want to do is start the ignition. Now that the car is on, we're going to come to Phone Apps, go to Connected Devices, and New Connection. Now it is searching for our phone. So now you're going to want to go to the Settings app in your phone, go to Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth, and wait for the Audi MMI device to show up. Once that shows up, you're going to click it, and then it's going to give you your pairing code. So click it. Here's your pairing code. Click Pair. Now allow your contacts and favorites to sync. And now we're going to want to return to the MMI screen. Make sure this is your phone and hit Accept. Now it's going to show you that pairing pin we saw earlier in the Settings app. Make sure they're the same, and if they're the same, the MMI and your phone will link up. Now it's going to ask if you want to use Apple CarPlay. Basically what this means is that the MMI is going to transfer data from your phone, such as phone numbers, text messages, notifications. Hit Yes, Continue. And now we're in Apple CarPlay. This gives you access to your maps, any music listening software, and your phone. Now if you hit the app menu, it'll show you the other apps that are compatible between your iPhone and the Audi MMI. So what happens if you've already set up your Apple CarPlay and it's not automatically connecting to your phone? There's a very simple solution. You're just going to go back to Phone Apps, go to Connected Devices, and it will remember you. And you just click it, establishing the connection, and it brings everything right back up. Sometimes it doesn't connect automatically, so if you run into that problem, that's how you fix that. And here are some extra troubleshooting tips. Try updating your phone, resetting the network in your phone, toggling the CarPlay switch back and forth in your phone's settings, and make sure your phone isn't connected to another Wi-Fi or hotspot. For any more questions, feel free to contact me any way below. I hope this made things easier. Thank you for watching.